This is a video demonstration of the JAMS Toolbar 4.0, version 4.0, and the new standard content note in Essentris. So in front of you we see Essentris. I have a test patient. I'm going to go ahead and go into this test patient's note. I'm going to go ahead and bring up the medication reconciliation standard content note. So medication reconciliation. So we all know that there's IceMelder, and IceMelder works great. But this is for those instances where the IceMelder is not functioning yet. For instance, APV. So if I have a patient and the IceMelder isn't doing its function for me, and I'm going to have to do the medication reconciliation myself, I'm going to scroll down to the section of the note where I would do the medication reconciliation. So these are the read-only fields for the IceMelder. I'm going to scroll to the bottom where it allows me to type in medication names. So right there. I'm going to put the cursor there, and it's going to wait for some data to be pushed into it. So I have CHCS open. I'm going to click on AutoMedRec. This time I'm going to use the inpatient side for Essentris. I'm going to use the same test patient, test, farm, patient number 2. Cycle through all the medications inside of CHCS, including the PDTS medications from the over-the-counter system. Click OK. We only have one medication for this patient. And then I'm just going to click on Essentris. So I check yes, patient's still taking this medication, and it's going to transfer it over for me. And it's done. It gives you a nice little bubble. It says data is done, or data is copied to clipboard. So let's run through that again. So let's bring up CCS. And because it's a test patient, I'm going to use some expired meds to show you multiple medications being copy and pasted over into the Essentris note. So medication filter again. This time we'll use 30 days because 90 is going to bring up too many medications for this test patient. We have 124. I'm just going to click on, I don't know, maybe the first 7. I have my cursor in the Essentris note waiting, so I just click on Essentris and it starts transferring the data for me. So it's 100% accurate, 100% correct, and it's really effective, really efficient. And that's how you would use the AutoMedRec with the new standard content note. Bring you back. Close it, and I'm ready to continue with my Essentris encounter.